This is the AI News Flash for April 13th, 8 a.m. UTC. First up, President Trump has sparked widespread outrage by posting an AI-generated image depicting himself as Jesus Christ healing a sick man.
The image shows Trump in a robe performing what appears to be a miracle at a hospital bedside with the American flag, Statue of Liberty, and fighter jets in the background.
The post came just minutes after Trump attacked Pope Leo XIV over his criticism of the Iran war. Former Republican Congresswoman Marjorie Taylor Greene condemned it as, quote, more than blasphemy, an antichrist spirit, end quote. The incident highlights growing concerns about AI-generated imagery being used for political propaganda. Next, Taiwan's DRAM maker Nanya Technology posted a record-breaking first quarter, with revenue surging 583% year-over-year to 49 billion new Taiwan dollars, or about 1.54 billion US dollars.
On a quarterly basis, revenue jumped 63%, driven by explosive demand for DRAM chips from AI data centers.
Nanya expects the global DRAM supply shortage to persist through the first half of 2028, reinforcing the narrative of a prolonged AI memory supercycle. In regulatory news, U.S. state-level AI regulation is accelerating sharply. According to Plural Policy's latest governance report, 19 new AI-related bills were signed into law in just the past 2 weeks. This brings the total number of AI laws enacted in 2026 from 6 to 25, with another 27 bills having passed both chambers. The new laws include Idaho's K-12 Generative AI Education Framework, Nebraska's Conversational AI Safety Act, and Oregon's Chatbot Safety Bill. With federal unified regulation stalled, state legislatures are effectively setting the de facto national standard for AI governance. Finally, a new report reveals a striking paradox in enterprise AI adoption. While 90% of companies have already adopted AI in some form, only 20% are managing to extract real business value from it. Most organizations remain stuck in the pilot phase, struggling with the transition to production deployment and monetization. This aligns with Gartner's finding that 95% of AI pilots never reach production, pointing to a significant gap between adoption and outcomes. Experts say the key to bridging this gap lies not in the technology itself, but in redesigning entire workflows and investing in organizational change management. That's all for this AI News Flash.